Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can download Dragon's Rise of BERK on your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to download Dragon's Rise of BERK on your PC or laptop, you will need to download this app first. So this app is called LDPlayer. So LDPlayer is an Android emulator app that allows you to smoothly run Android apps and games on your PC or laptop. And since we all know that Rise of BERK is a mobile game, we will use this app to play it. So to download the LDPlayer mobile game emulator on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to go to your Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your web browser, next, you will need to go to the official website of LDPlayer, since that's where we will download the app, so just search this on your search bar. Make sure to enter this correctly so you will be directed to the website. And after searching, you will now be on the website. So to download the app on this website, it's so simple, since if you will take a look, you will now be able to see the download button right here. Just go and click it. And after clicking it, your LDPlayer app installer will now be downloaded, so you can now click the file to start installing the app. And then you will now begin the installation setup. So right here, you just need to make sure that you've checked their agreement terms, and then you can now click the install button after that. And then the app will now start installing. Just wait for it to finish. And now that you've opened your LDPlayer, let me now show you how to download the game on this app. So to do that, first, I want you to search for the game on the search bar. And after searching, you will now be able to see the game. Just go and click it. And then finally, for the last step, you can now click the install button for the game. And then click the install button once again. And after that, the game will now start installing. Just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, it's done. Congratulations, you will now have your Dragon's Rise of BERK installed on your PC or laptop, so you can now start playing the game. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.